So, we're back at the workshop working on Jobby, and we are attempting to fix one of the most annoying problems that we have with the truck right now. So it's a simple problem. Basically, when you put the windows up or down, it's a bit hit and miss on what works. Now, easiest way to show it is if we jump in. So, hang on, we'll start the truck. We'll show you exactly what it's doing. Accessory mode. Driver side goes down and up. Passenger side doesn't do anything. Rear passenger goes down and up, but slowly. Rear driver side goes down, but doesn't go back up. So, easiest place to start with is this. So we'll order a new one. Now in theory, pop this off using the removal tools. That gets us in behind this, and we need to see if it's 2-wire or 1-wire. I've already found a couple on eBay. Majority of them are 1-wire. So we'll have a look. We'll see if it's 1-wire or 2-wire. Either way, I found a couple on eBay. We just need to know if it's 1-wire or 2-wire. So let's have a nosy. So we're in. As you can see, it's 2-plug. One there, big one there. Little clip at the side. A little clip underneath. Now the part numbers were faded on the back of the switch that I had in the truck, so we've took a plunge, we've ordered this one. It's a little bit used, but it should serve its purpose nicely. Let's get it fitted and see what happens. So, with that, it's all clipped in. It's all nice and pretty. It looks good. So, truck on the accessory. Driver side down, driver side up. Passenger side, nope, passenger side down, passenger side up. Driver side down. Driver side up. Still nothing from the passenger side. Front. So in all honesty, I didn't actually fix this door after the last time we had that part. Threw it together, we went off-road instead. So, we'll strip it down, have a look, clear out the rubbish. So, door card is off. That lets us into the inside. So if you remember for the last video, we were in at this side for the lock. Every time we locked the truck, it made stupid buzzing, grinding noise. So from what I gather, our window regulator wires are in here. So we need to check that in there's getting voltage. I really do hate this truck. Would you like to know what was wrong with it? I'll show you. In there, this wire, right here, it goes to a plug. And if that plug isn't plugged in, the window doesn't go up and down. So by the looks of it, previous owner has maybe had issues with the switches. It's the only logical explanation. They've had issues with the switches, and rather than replacing the switches, they maybe couldn't get the window back up. And when they couldn't get the window back up, they disconnected it and just pushed it. Should work in theory. So, we've got it connected up. Hopefully, it works. So find out. Now I'm not sure if the window regulator needs the switch to be there. So we'll soon find out. Oh, I hope this is it. Right, key in the ignition. Into accessory. Window is down. Window is up. Another simple little job completed. Truck might not be too bad. So, with that, we now have working windows. We now have working lock. We're making progress. I'll get this piece back together. So, we've screwed that all back together. We'll do one more test. Hopefully, with a bit of luck. Accessory. There we go. Well, that was a success, and it only cost us 35 quid. So, win-win. We still have lots to fix on the truck. There's a few wee stupid bits that have now cropped up. Simple things like that. As always, like, comment, subscribe. We'll be starting the actual physical modification soon, I think. We have a lift kit. We have a few other bits sitting there to go on. We're just waiting on a few bits from our friends over at DNA 4x4. So, as always, we'll catch up with you guys later.